Sister, una kitang nakilala sa Villa 101.
I met Tita Noemi from Jara's birthday.
First met Tita Noemi at Norita's house.
First time I met Tita, kila Joy and birthday ni Louis.
Nakita si Noemi sa bahay ni Joy.
I don't really remember it. It was Jara who reminded me. It was 2021, February. Joy invited her for Louis' birthday and I was there too.
First time I met Tita was at the Bay, and it was Mami Shi's Christmas party.
We've met in Arquerodon. I've met her through Lizelle, and Lizelle is my first friend in Arquerodon, actually in UAE. So that was our first encounter.
I met Tita during the parties of Arquerodon, but we got closer during nagsisleepover na kami sa bahay niya.
I don't remember kasi medyo matagal na din siya. But most probably sa one of the party ng Arquerodon. Doon kami siguro unang nakita but not necessarily introduced. And then until friends, I think, invited me in their house. So that's the first, and the rest is history.
She was wearing this sexy dress and then nahulog yung my nipple cover and then she said, "Oh, yung kutsinta ko nahulog." It was just funny. So every time I heard kutsinta, it would remind me of Tita.
Unforgettable moment, marami, but recently, yung slow motion siyang natumba doon sa barako na akala mo nasa movie.
Nung pumunta kami sa bar, at saka may nagbigay sa amin ng lollipop. Pagkatapos namin kainin yung lollipop, tawa kami ng tawa with no reasons. Nasabog na pala. Love you, Noemi.
Full conversation, heart-to-heart talks. Those were the unforgettable moments with her. And yeah, the way she loves, she treats me like her own, even though I'm the prodigal daughter. That's one thing I would never forget about her. When she loves fully, wholly, and deeply. That's Tita's trademark.
Madami kaming unforgettable moments with Tita. Masasaya, malulungkot, at minsan nung nagkasagutan pa kami. But my favorite is kapag nagsisleep over kami sa bahay niya, ay pinagluluto niya kami. Nagkaroon kami ng instant mommy.
I never forget was when she was upset and I was trying to comfort her and she was crying and I was holding her hands. It was an intimate moment for us.
Since it's been more or less 17 years, parang too many to mention. Personal moments ko with Tita, yung nung beginning, bago pa lang kami sa Arquerodon, kami, nila Franz, nila Maria, until Mom She's, and then kami with Joy, and then kami with the families. So, sobrang dami. But siguro highlight ko na lang yung first and only, at least from my POV, nung nagkaroon kami ng misunderstanding and arguments. Unforgettable siya because yun nga, first siya and only in our records for 17 years. Feeling ko, sabi ni Lord, wala daw perfect friendship. So, binigyan niya tayo ng isang misunderstanding and arguments. And even though it end up like we agree to disagree, parang feeling ko I'm happy na pagdaanan natin siya at we were able to go back sa kung anong relationship meron tayo. Hindi tayo nasira because of that. So for me, that's an achievement para sa friendship natin.
And my unforgettable moment with her is yung kumakanta siya pero pabulong.
Wearing a beads long dress with your magic pearls. Yun ang una kitang nakita. And then, I think that's the most memorable time with you then.
Before tayo pumunta dun sa yacht party, we had some time to have coffee. Tapos sabi ko sa'yo, open-minded ka ba? And then you said, oo naman. And then I asked you, wag mo nasa 50s na, active pa din. Tapos, without missing a beat, you said, oh naman, all the more. Kasi the bigger the kids get, the easier it becomes. And mas marami na kayong time and energy. Kasi less pagod ka na pag mas malalaki na yung mga bata. And you know what? You're absolutely right. Now the kids are growing up. Tama ka dun, ta.
She always says, I know, right?
I knew, right?
I know, right?
Pag nakita mo si tita tapos late, ang sagot, alam mo kung bakit late ako? Alam mo kasi si tito mo, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Or kaya, alam mo ba, kasi si Sofia, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan.
Lagi yan pag telepono. Ito kasi si Sofia eh. Gamit na naman yung phone, di ko na nakita yung message. Always.
And then, my impression for Tita is she's very, very sweet person.
Okay, Tita's most iconic expression. Pag kaming dalawa lang ha, it's like, friends, alam mo naman, mahal na mahal kita. Friends, alam mo, love kita. So every time, even every time she used to start a conversation with me, she will always start with, friends, alam mo yan kung gaano kita kamahal. So yeah, I was always reminded of that.
Bago niya mabigkas yung pangalan ko or kay Angie, dadaan mo na siya sa lahat ng alphabet. G, Jo, G, J, Ja. Bago niya mabigkas ang pangalan ko, ang dami pa niyang nasabi. Napaka-OCD. Lahat ng doorknob niya sa bahay, ina-alcohol. Ang tagal mag-reply ng message or calls. I remember, nag-Happy New Year ako sa kanya. After 1 year pa siya nag-reply. Lagi-lagi pag merong mga events or may mga lakad ang mamshies at inuuna niya ang mamshies, laging sinasabi niya, hey nako, galit na nga si Tito. Nagtatampo na si Tito.
Iconic expression mo. Oh. Sister. O, diba?
Impression. Siguro yung pagiging hyper ni Tita. Kasi kahit anong emotion niya or mood niya for the day, whether she's happy, sad, or irritated, or whatever, kung ano lang, pag magkukwento siya, it's always hyper. And sometimes she don't even recognize it sa sarili niya. And for me, yung ganong energy ni Tita, I admire it kasi parang she lightens up the room with that energy. Iconic.
It's Sherry here. I just want to wish you the best for your new journey and thank you for the memories we made, the love you gave us, and wonderful friendships. All the best in the gorgeous Philippines. It's an absolute gem to go back there to your country. It's a beautiful country. It's not a goodbye, okay? It's only a start of a new chapter, and at least it will give me an excuse to come visit you one day. Tita, good luck. I love you.
Ay, grabe naman si Noemi.
Down.
Paano yung lasa ta?
Oh, pait. Parang ano
Wow!
Where there is love, I'll be there.
Hello. Tita, ang aming ang aming booker.
Sino ba yung ano? Wala ka lang mag-video. Napakatamad nito sa tabi ko. Baka walang kwenta. Ako na driver, ako pa videographer. Grabe kayo. This is the place to be. Dito ako maghalumpasay.
Ito, magandang
Tita, can you sing a song for me? Please?